Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk control arms used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to make changes to the control arms on your vehicle, you must lift the front of the car and remove the wheels. This will give you full access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stance. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. In order to remove the control arms, you will need to remove the control arms ball joint. Using an 18mm spanner, loosen the ball joint retaining nut. Lever off the control arm from the steering knuckle. Using a 21mm spanner, a socket wrench and a 21mm socket, unscrew the rear holding screw on the control arm. Now remove it. Using a 21mm spanner, a socket wrench and a 21mm socket, unscrew the front holding screw on the control arm and remove it. You can now remove the control arm.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new control arm. Put the control arm in the holding and start to unscrew the fastenings on the cradle. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Put the ball joint into the pivot. Then screw it back in. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Put the wheels of your vehicle back on and lower it to the ground. During this operation, you will work on the steering system of your vehicle. Checks on tyre alignment, when carried out by a professional, will guarantee that your steering system has been perfectly aligned and is in good working order. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.